Tired of squinting at screens? Dreaming of 2020's vision? Your diet might be the secret weapon to boost your eye health. Let's uncover powerhouse foods that can nourish your eyes and improve your sight. Welcome to Health Sabs. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your vision? Certain nutrients are essential for maintaining eye health and preventing age-related eye diseases. Let's explore the foods that can help you see the world more clearly. The shocking truth: eye problems are on the rise. The National Eye Institute reports a significant increase in cases of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. But there's hope. Research suggests that dietary changes can play a crucial role in preventing and even improving eye conditions. Sarah is a 42-year-old graphic designer who struggled with blurry vision and frequent headaches. After incorporating these eye-healthy foods into her diet for 3 months, she noticed a significant improvement in her vision and a reduction in headaches. Leafy green foods. Leafy green vegetables are nature's vision boosters. Packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and other essential nutrients, they shield your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Spinach. A true superfood, spinach contains high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as natural sunglasses for your eyes. Kale. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, kale supports overall eye health and reduces oxidative stress. Collard greens. This often overlooked green is rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, essential for good vision. Orange foods. You glad you read this? Foods rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, are essential for maintaining healthy vision. Carrots. The classic eye-healthy food. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene. Studies have shown that increased beta-carotene intake can improve vision in people with certain eye conditions. Sweet potatoes. This vibrant orange vegetable is another excellent source of beta-carotene. Pumpkin. Beyond its festive appeal, pumpkin offers a good dose of beta-carotene and vitamin A. Fatty fish food options. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for overall health, including eye health. Salmon. This oily fish is rich in omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and protect against dry eyes. Tuna. Another excellent source of omega-3s. Tuna can be enjoyed in various ways. Mackerel. Packed with nutrients, mackerel supports eye health and overall well-being. Nuts. A best option for your eyes. Nuts and seeds are packed with nutrients that benefit eye health. Almonds. A good source of vitamin E. Almonds help protect your eyes from oxidative damage. Walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts support eye health and brain function. Flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3s and antioxidants. Citrus options. Citrus fruits are not just delicious, they're also packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant essential for eye health. Oranges. A classic source of vitamin C, oranges also provide fiber and potassium. Grapefruits. Packed with vitamin C and lycopene, grapefruits offer additional benefits for eye health. Lemons. Add a burst of flavor and vitamin C to your water or dishes. By incorporating these eye-healthy foods into your diet, you're taking a significant step towards improving your vision and protecting your eye health. Remember, while these foods are beneficial, a balanced diet and regular eye exams are crucial for optimal eye care. Like, comment, and share the video. Consult your eye doctor for personalized advice.